Device management in Salesforce IoT Explorer involves the centralized control and monitoring of Internet of Things (IoT) devices. It is a critical component that allows organizations to efficiently handle the life cycle of their IoT devices. Here's a detailed explanation of device management features within Salesforce IoT Explorer. Device onboarding. Overview. Device onboarding is the process of adding new IoT devices to the Salesforce IoT Explorer platform. Details. Salesforce IoT Explorer provides tools for easily onboarding new devices, which typically involves registering devices in the system, assigning unique identifiers, and associating relevant metadata. Device monitoring. Overview. Device monitoring involves real-time tracking and status updates for IoT devices. Details. Organizations can monitor the health, status, and activity of their devices through the Salesforce IoT Explorer interface. This includes information such as device connectivity, performance metrics, and any reported issues. Device health and diagnostics. Overview. Monitoring and assessing the health and performance of IoT devices. Details. Salesforce IoT Explorer allows organizations to collect and analyze diagnostic data from devices, enabling proactive maintenance and troubleshooting. This feature is essential for identifying and addressing issues before they impact operations. Device configuration management. Overview. Managing the configuration settings of IoT devices. Details. Organizations can use Salesforce IoT Explorer to define and update configuration settings for individual or groups of devices. This ensures consistency and allows for remote configuration changes based on evolving requirements, firmware and software updates. Overview. Updating the firmware or software of IoT devices to ensure they have the latest features and security patches. Details. Salesforce IoT Explorer provides capabilities for remotely deploying updates to device firmware or software. This helps in keeping devices up to date and secure without the need for manual intervention. Device decommissioning. Overview. The process of retiring or decommissioning IoT devices that are no longer in use. Details. When devices reach the end of their life cycle or are no longer needed, organizations can decommission them using Salesforce IoT Explorer. This involves unregistering devices, updating records, and managing associated data. Device metadata management. Overview. Managing metadata associated with IoT devices, such as device type, location, and ownership. Details. Salesforce IoT Explorer allows organizations to associate metadata with each device, facilitating better organization, searchability, and categorization of devices within the system. Device authentication and security. Overview. Ensuring secure authentication and communication between IoT devices and the Salesforce platform. Details. Robust security features are integrated into Salesforce IoT Explorer to authenticate devices, encrypt communications, and protect against unauthorized access. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of IoT data. Device connectivity management. Overview. Managing how devices connect to the network and interact with the Salesforce IoT Explorer platform. Details. Organizations can configure and monitor device connectivity settings, ensuring that devices can reliably send and receive data to and from the platform. Device lifecycle tracking. Overview. Tracking the entire lifecycle of IoT devices from onboarding to decommissioning. Details. Salesforce IoT Explorer provides a historical view of each device's lifecycle, allowing organizations to analyze trends, identify patterns, and make informed decisions about device management strategies. Integration with other systems. Overview: integrating device management data with other business systems. Details: Salesforce IoT Explorer supports integration with other Salesforce clouds and external systems, ensuring that device management data can be leveraged across the organization for a more comprehensive view of operations. Device management in Salesforce IoT Explorer is a foundational element for organizations looking to effectively deploy and manage IoT devices at scale. It streamlines the operational aspects of device handling, enhances security, and contributes to the overall success of IoT implementations within the Salesforce ecosystem. Organizations can benefit from real-time monitoring, proactive maintenance, and the ability to derive valuable insights from their connected devices.